And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add a motion blur to your footage. With lots of motion here, a guy is running. I have the default layout active, and now I use the effects right here. You may have to open a drop down video effects and then search for lens. Let me scroll. Should be somewhere at the bottom right here, motion blur. When you left click on it, you can see a preview. Left click drag, then drop it on your clip. And it's directly active, you can adjust it right here. Horizontal is, you can see that for the horizontal axis. And strength is more like a blend effect. So if you go down, it's going to get blend more with the background. Let me play it. This would be an extreme effect, maybe kind of like a flash effect. In our case, I want to go down a little bit. And up with the horizontal. You can also see it ends right here in our clip, so the guy is running out of frame. We can simply place the slider right here and then hover over the ends of the effects until your cursor changes, then left click drag and you can adjust the duration. We play it again, so here we have our effects, and once the guy is out of frame, we don't want to have it anymore. You can do that at the beginning too, so in case there's some object running into the frame at the start, you could do that. In our case, we don't need it. And this you can add a motion blur to your footage using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.